Good evening. Welcome back to Homeopathy Letter. Before framing the totality of a value or oath of each and every system during the case taking, we should know what is analysis and evaluation. Analysis is nothing but the classifying the information available out of case taking. After analysis, we need to evaluate the symptom obtained, find their worth and eligibility, place them totality among the totality. There are three different modes of analysis and evaluation. One is a Henneman evaluation, that is common and characteristics. Then Kentian evaluation, that is general, common and particular. Boric evaluation, that is basic and determinate. Then Bonning-Musse, primary and secondary. So why we should need analysis and evaluation? So mainly you should remember these four types of a method of evaluation and analysis, because according to this evaluation and analysis you will divide all those symptoms which you take from the case taking. Analysis and evaluation is required to find out the relative importance of each and every symptom, to place them in a hierarchy and construct the true totality. Okay, the only characteristic symptom of a case should find its place in the totality if it is available. And if the absence of a characteristics occur, then we rely on common symptom. In incurable case, we use in the advanced stage of a disease, the gross tissue pathological changes. Here, there the common symptom have more priority than characteristic symptom. So during which we have to find the characteristics with common symptom. So how characteristics and common symptoms are important, you can know from this disease prognosis. Then the certain circumstances where common symptoms are imprint, like a particular location, particular sensation, peculiar modality and alternating periodicity. Example of these common symptoms like headache as if nail was driven into parietal bone. Thuja, that is a peculiar location. Then sensation like each appear every winter arches. In alloy, this is a sensation. Peculiar modality, headache ameliorated with urination. This is a modality and alternating with the periodicity. So characteristic symptom individualized in the case, in all curable cases, early stage of illness. So functional stage of illness, good amount of characteristics will found, but when the stage will go in progress, we go for the common symptom. Now can classify three groups, that is general, particular and common. According to him, general symptom always important. Okay, and then he always give the priority on the general symptom, such as in if we get example of 33 upper lecture of Kent, there is he mentioned that arsenic having if a person shows all the symptoms of arsenic but the modality is differ, he lacks the cold, then we can not never give the arsenic to that patient. That is the example on the basis of a general symptom. Okay, the general symptom are always preferred than the particular and the common symptom. A single general symptom can overrule number of a particular. Here the Kent says general symptoms oath. So this is all about the analysis and the evaluation. Now we during case taking also we know the general symptoms in order to construct totality. General having two types, physical general, mental general. In mental general we go will understanding, intellect, mental, memory, all are mental general. Physical general, pathological, particular, these are the physical general. And this is all about the Kent general symptom, particular. We discuss here the characteristics and the common symptom. Okay.